In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add eye-catching animations to Canva videos. This simple yet effective tutorial will guide you through the process so you can create dynamic and engaging content with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Canva. Canva is a versatile design tool that many people use for creating everything from social media graphics to videos. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see the option to create a new design. Here, you'll want to select the option for a video. This will give you a blank video template to work with, setting the stage for your animated masterpiece. Once your video design is open, you can start getting creative by inserting different elements. Think of elements like text, images, icons, illustrations, or even other video clips. These can all be included in your design, allowing you to build a scene that suits your vision. The goal here is to populate your canvas with everything you'll need for your video. After your elements are in place, it's time to think about layering. Layering different components can add a sense of depth to your video, drawing viewers in and making your animation stand out. You can drag items forwards or backwards in the design panel to stack them in the order you prefer. Next, it's time to bring your design to life. Click on any element you'd like to animate, and you'll notice an Animate button. This is where the magic begins. By clicking this option, you'll unlock a menu of animation styles. Take your time experimenting with different effects such as pop, fade, or tumble to see which combination best matches your creative intentions. For videos that contain multiple slides, you'll want to ensure a smooth experience throughout. Hover between the slides, and you can add a transition effect. Transitions help to maintain a visual flow as the video progresses from one slide to the next, enhancing the overall storytelling aspect of your piece. Once your animations and transitions are in place, adjusting their duration is crucial. This allows you to create a rhythm for your video. Spend some moments tweaking the length of each animation and the slides themselves to bring harmony and pacing that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. Finally, once everything looks perfect, it's time to save your work. Export your project as an MP4 file, which is essential for ensuring high-quality video output. This format is widely supported and will ensure your video looks sharp and professional, whether you're sharing it online or presenting it in person. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added compelling animations to your Canva video. Keep experimenting and refining your skills. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.